Hello, my name is Rangu. I know how important it is to send money to your loved ones when they need it most. So today I'm going to talk to you about how to send money with WorldRemit mobile app. Did you know that WorldRemit money transfer is now exclusively by mobile app? As from January 2024, you can now make money transfers on the Remit mobile app. The service to send money through its website is no longer available. So some of you may wonder what happens if I already had opened my account on the website worldremit.com. If you already have an account, you don't need to create a new account. Also, you will be able to continue using the same email address and the same password, but it has to be a strong password. There isn't much difference between using the World Remit website and the mobile app. However, to continue making money transfers through the app, you need to do all you need to do is to download the mobile app. And where do I get the World Remit app? You can download the app from two places. One, the Apple App Store, or two, the Google Play Store. I absolutely love the New World mobile app because the money transfer is simple and it involves a few steps, which I'm going to walk you through. Step number one, you need to download the World Remit mobile app to your phone. Number two, you can log in with the same email and same password as you used to. I mean, when you were logging or through the website. Number three, your recipients or the ones who is going to receive or the people you used to send money to, their details will be still there on the app. So to start a new transfer, you simply hit transfer. So what will you get with the Remit mobile app? You will get transfer updates. Uh, what I mean is, World Remit makes sure you stay informed and get notifications of every step of your transfer. So you will receive messages from time to time, each time you send money or when the money is collected. Something along these lines. Hey, customer, we've got great news for you. Your cousin has collected money you sent. Here are the full details again for your records, so that this kind of message you get them each time you do a transaction. And also the advantage of using the app is that you get exchange rate alerts. Exchange rate information is really useful, so you will be able to track any currency you want to know, and when the rate is great. And it's quicker, like, because you can do repeat money transfer. So this helps you to resend your favorite people. It's quicker, and in just a few seconds you are done, because it keeps the information, your record, and you just simply repeat. So I hope this video it's helpful. And but for any changes, for any more information or any further changes, you need to keep an eye on worldremit.com. So the website is still open, and you can use it just for reference, and to be on top of things if there are any changes. So you need to keep an eye on the website. Hopefully, this video is helpful. If you have any comments, please feel free to share and leave your comments below. If you have any questions, I'll be happy to get back to you. Thank you.